Welcome to Similar Triangles Part 2. Similar Triangles Constructions. In this class we will talk about construction of a triangle shadow similar to the given triangle ABC with its sides equal to 4/3 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. See here, measurements are not given for a triangle, is it? So, how to construct a triangle ABC? How to construct triangle ABC? That is our wish. Yes. See, construct a triangle shadow similar to the given triangle ABC with its sides equal to 4/3 of corresponding sides of the triangle. So first construct a triangle. I am drawing a triangle like this. And base BC, A, BC. Okay, it is triangle ABC. As per our convenience, we take whatever triangle. Next, what is the given ratio? 4/3. 4/3 is the given ratio, equal to 4/3 of the corresponding sides. Given fraction is 4/3 of the corresponding sides. So now, after drawing triangle ABC, draw a ray BX. How much? BX with an acute angle, making with BC. Draw a ray BX through B with some acute angle. Okay, with BC. What is mean of acute angle? Below 90, above 0. After drawing a ray BX making an acute angle with BC on the side opposite to vertex A, now we have to locate 3 points here. Yes, what is the denominator here? 3. Locate 3 points. Locate 3 points. Now locate 3 points from B. 1, 2, 3. Now join, name it as B1, B2, B3. Yes, B1, B2, B3. Now, as per construction, denominator is 3 now. We have to join denominator to the end point of the given triangle. That means C. You have to join B3 to C. Yes, B3 to C. Join B3 to C. Now, what is the numerator here? 4. Where do you locate 4? It is not possible here. So that what you should do? You should extend BC to towards. You have to extend BC towards C, because of here numerator is 4 is given. Denominator you have to join to the end point of this C, and numerator we have to join. That means numerator we have to draw a parallel line, but numerator is 4 here, which is more than 3, which is greater than 3, but here not possible. So that we have to extend towards C side. BC extended to right side. Name it as Y something, and we have to draw B4 with the equal radius. Yes. Now from B4 through B4 we have to draw a parallel to B3C, so that we extended. Now, how to draw parallel? We discussed already in previous session. Now, see again I am reminding. You have to make corresponding angle equal. Yes, with our convenient, you will draw make an angle here with convenient radius, and without changing its radius, point at B4, draw an arc here like this. Next, measure this angle with compass like this. Next, the starting point of this arc as a center, cut the previous arc. Now, B4 and this point, B4 and this point join. You will get another parallel line, a parallel line to B3C, named as C dash. Named as C dash. Next, now we have to draw a parallel line through C dash to CA. But is it possible? No. So in this case also, what we should do? We have to extend BA to above side towards A. Okay, like this you have to extend. Now same process you have to follow. How? Same concept, making corresponding angle equal. So like this, I have drawn arc with center C. Without changing its radius, with the center C dash, I have to draw another arc, and I have to measure the length of this arc with compass, and with you have to intersect like this. Now again you have to join these two parts, this intersection point and C dash. This point and this point, and extend. So we got another a parallel line, named as this parallel line, parallel side intersecting BA at A dash, named as A dash. Now we got one triangle here, A dash B C dash. This is our required triangle. This is the shadow of the triangle ABC in 4/3 of the corresponding sides. Is it understood? See here, only denominator we are joining to the end point original, and numerator we are drawing from through numerator part, we are drawing a parallel line to the given side. Okay, so it is most important. For suppose if the ratio is 3/4, if they are given 3/4 of the corresponding sides, here is the denominator, so we will locate 4 points on this BX. Denominator we will join to original end point. Later numerator we are from through numerator, that means through B3 we will draw parallel line to the B4C. Understood? So like this you have to solve. Rough figure we can draw like this easily, no objection in that. Triangle ABC, shadow to it means we will get this side. It is ABC, it is A dash, C dash. That's it. No need of writing any extra point. Generally we can do like this. Okay. So all of you understood now? See, now in 1 minute I will explain again. First draw a convenient triangle as per your wish. Later we have to draw a ray BX making an acute angle with BC. Later we have to observe the denominator. How many parts are here? 3 parts. So locate 3 points on the ray BX and join denominator, join to the end point. Denominator join to the end point. and the numerator we have to draw, through numerator we have to draw 4, that means b4 through numerator, that is b4, draw a parallel line to b3c. We got b4c dash is parallel to b3c, so numerator is parallel, so dj and p. So keep this code, denominator join to the endpoints, numerator, through numerator you have to draw a parallel line, you have to draw a parallel, it is numerator join denominator, denominator join numerator, through numerator parallel line. Okay, like this you have to draw. It is a most important model, selected model for board exam, selected construction. I hope all of you understood. Please, if you have any doubts, send a message. You like it this video. Thank you.